Friends, welcome to the next episode of Vedic Mathematics. The shortcuts in mathematics are needed for the students appearing for the competitive exams such as SAT, RRB, bank exams, etc. Today in this episode, we are going to see how to add consecutive numbers. Friends, first we will see the working rule. Here the first rule is that add smallest number in the group to the largest number in the group. Suppose we have to add the numbers from 21 to 31, then 21 will be the smallest number and 31 will be the largest number, and you have to add them together. In the second step, multiply the result by the amount of numbers in the group. Now from 21 to 31, in all there are 11 numbers, and in the first step, whatever the sum you will get, that is to be multiplied by 11. Now in the third step, you have to divide the result by 2, and that's all, you got the answer. Just take the example. Here, suppose we want to find the sum of all numbers from 21 to 31. So first add the smallest and the biggest number. Smallest number is 21 and the biggest number is 31. So sum will be equal to 52. Friends, then multiply it by the total numbers. That is from 21 to 31 there are 11 numbers. So 52 is to be multiplied by 11. And therefore 52 multiplied by 11 is equal to 572. Now the next step, divide this result by 2. So 572 is to be divided by 2, and then the result you get as 572 divided by 2 is equal to 286, and that's all, you got the sum of all the numbers from 21 to 31, that is 286. Friends, now see the another example. Find the sum of all the numbers from 21 to 31. So first we add the smallest and the biggest numbers. The smallest is 21 and the biggest is 31, therefore their sum is 52. Now we multiply this 52 by the total numbers. From 21 to 31 there are 11 numbers, and therefore we multiply 52 by 11, and that product you get as 572. In the third step, we divide this 572 by 2, and the result that we get as 286, and that's all, you got the sum of all the numbers from 21 to 31. Take one more example, friends. Here you have to find the sum of all the numbers from 20 to 32. First add the smallest and the biggest number. Smallest number is 20 and the biggest number is 32. So after adding these two, you get 52. Then multiply this 52 by the total numbers. In this case it is 13, and after the product 52 multiplied by 13, you get 676. In the third step, we divide this 676 by 2, and you get the result as 338, and that is the sum from all the numbers 20 to 32. Dear friends, I hope you might have got the shortcut of adding the consecutive numbers. Thank you very much for watching. If you have liked this, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much.